Hey guys! Welcome back! Today I have a video for those people wanted to know about Titanic, as many people says that it was a miracle of God, but also there are some geographical and scientific reasons which make Titanic a memorable historic event. To tell you more about these reasons I have built up this informative video. So let's get started. The Titanic was a British passenger liner that famously sank in the early morning hours of April 15, 1912, during its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, to New York City, USA. It was considered one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced ships of its time. The sinking of the Titanic is often referred to as a tragedy rather than a miracle, as more than 1,500 people lost their lives in the disaster. However, there were some aspects of the event that could be considered miraculous or remarkable. One notable aspect was the ship's size and supposed unsinkability. The Titanic was constructed with advanced safety features, such as watertight compartments and remotely activated watertight doors. However, when it struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic, several of these compartments were breached, causing the ship to fill with water and eventually sink. Another aspect that some consider miraculous is the rescue efforts and survival stories that emerged from the disaster. The RMS Carpathia, a nearby ship, received the Titanic's distress signals and rushed to the scene to rescue survivors. Approximately 700 people were saved and brought aboard the Carpathia. The sinking of the Titanic led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations, including the establishment of the International Ice Patrol to monitor iceberg danger in the North Atlantic and the requirement for sufficient lifeboats on passenger ships. The disaster remains a well-known and poignant event in history, capturing the public's imagination and serving as a cautionary tale about human hubris and the vulnerability of even the most technologically advanced creations. Hope you like the video, subscribe for more information.